Hey guys, what is up? Is your main man Dusty Ninja. I am back here in 2017 for you guys. I just got my roommate a brand new gun. It's her first airsoft gun, so I'm really excited to see her reaction, and I want to make this video for you guys to show you guys how she feels. Also, don't mind that my roommate did that for me, so let's go see her reaction right now.
It's like Christmas.
It is like Christmas. You know, I'll take that. Well,
Oh, this is heavy. Okay, it's really cool looking. Are you taking a video?
I am taking a video of your reaction.
Holy shit, this is so cool. I have no idea how to put this together, but this is really cool. Oh, I like the paint on it. These are like the best colors. I don't know how this goes together, so you're gonna have to help me.
That's why I'm here.
Are these colored?
I don't know, but those are
They look like they're white.
not the best.
No, they look like the other way. They look like they probably hurt.
They are definitely white.
Oh, this is heavier than I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna have to be strong.
So, what do you think?
This
First
is really
impressions?
cool. I'm really looking forward to going to play. I didn't know it was gonna be this heavy.
Yeah, they're heavy.
How do you even hold this?
Well, we'll get into that in a little bit, cause
I'm gonna make unboxing videos.
yeah,
Just go in,
I actually do. Yeah,
just go in here.
yeah.
Like
Other way.
Do I just? Oh wait, there's like zip ties and stuff on this.
Yeah. All right. Well, are you happy?
I'm super happy. I'm super excited. This is gonna be so much fun.
All right. Training videos throughout the week.
Yay!